The Great Depression, the period of low economic activity and very high unemployment which characterized the greater part of the period between the two world wars, and more particularly over the period of 1929 to 34 when it became worldwide. We will now discuss the causes of the Great Depression. Conditions created by the war. There was an immense industrial expansion due to which war machinery during the year of the First World War. But after the war, there was sharp decline in demands for non-related products, leading to economic depression. Second, overproduction in agriculture. Agricultural overproduction was one of the major factors of the Great Depression. This was made worse by falling agricultural prices. Shortage of loans. In the mid-1920s, many countries financed their investments through loans from the US. US overseas loans amounted to over $1 billion, but a year later, it was 1/4 of that amount. Countries that depended crucially on US loans now faced an acute crisis. Fourth, various other impacts. The withdrawal of US loans affected much of the rest of the world, though in different ways. In Europe, it led to the failure of some major banks and the collapse of currencies. In Latin America and elsewhere, it intensified the slump in agricultural and raw material prices.